course, there are lots of researchers in the world working on robotic cook and many applications develop. But most of them actually don't have sensors. So they do blindly cooking food without really knowing what tastes are. And humans are pre-programming all of these things, and the robots don't understand taste. So we still don't know what's the application of this, what's the application of robot tasting. But for sure, we will have something interesting because robot can now have access to the taste perception, and that will give a feedback to their way of cooking or what they can serve to human beings.
The huge advantage of robotic taste is that it's objective. It will be always the same. So we have no affect by mood or by personal preference. And it will always remember all the dishes it tasted before. While when we would try to taste a lot of dishes, it would be hard for us to compare the current dish to the dish 10 dishes behind.